sin x means cos x. dt by dx is equal to cos x. Okay, dt is equal to cos x dx. Now integral sin to the power of 4x cos to the power of 3x dx. Then integral sin to the power of 4x, this cos to the power of 3x we can written as cos square x cos x dx. Therefore we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then now what we want, cos square x. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Okay, sin to the power of 4x, then cos square x written as 1 minus sin square x, then cos x dx. Cos x dx means dt. We can, it is in the form of x terms, we have to convert into t terms. T to the power of 4 1 minus t square dt. Then we should have to multiply t to the power of 4 to the bracket terms. Then t to the power of 4 into 1, t to the power of 4 minus t to the power of 4, t to the power of 4 into t to the power of 2. Bases are equal, power should be added. T to the power of 6 dt. Then integral t to the power of 4 dt minus integral t to the power of 6 dt. It looks like x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here what the formula? T to the power of 4 into t to the power of 2 is equal to t to the power of 6. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus 1 formula. Okay, now we can t to the power of 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus t to the power of 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. Therefore t to the power of 5 by 5 minus t to the power of 7 by 7 plus c. Therefore what is t? T is cos x. T is sin x. Then sin to the power of 5x by 5 minus sin to the power of 7x by 7 plus c. This is the answer of this question. Now we can go for the second question.